Hello students, this is your science period and I am your science teacher Yogmaya. Today we'll start with a new chapter, that is force and pressure. In this chapter we'll start with the topic force. Now force is what is the definition of force? It is the push or pull on an object. Fine. This is known as force. Now see, so many examples are there. Here a man is pushing a car. This is a force. He is applying a force on the car. Fine. In the same way, a man is pulling the cart. This here also he is applying a force to pull the cart towards itself towards forward. Fine. Then here a player, he is playing the hockey. So what he is hitting that ball. Here in this picture, horse is pulling the cart. In this picture, I think it's tug of war. Fine. Here they are pulling the rope towards themselves. Here a football player, he is kicking the football. So a push or pull on an object is known as force. So now, how this force occurs? When two bodies are interacting with each other, when one object interact with the other object, then the result will be the force between the two objects. Now here, see in this picture, the man is pushing a car. It means his hands are interacting with the car, and this way he is applying force to the car by his hand, and this makes the car to move. So this is how the force that occurs only after the interaction of the two bodies. Now also I would like to tell you that if we want to move some object, let's suppose we just want to shift the box from one place to other, then what we'll do, we'll apply force from one side towards the side towards which we want to shift it. So here, if we are applying a force on a body, and if the also additional force is applied on that object towards the same side, like here F1 and F2, both are applying the force on that object, and they are shifting that one. They are applying the force in one direction. So now here the net force will be what? Net force will be the sum of the two forces applied on it. Fine. Now here in this second picture, now let's suppose you have to shift one box in your home towards one direction, and you had a quarrel with your sister. Now she said, no, I will not allow you to move this box from this place. Then what you will do, you will apply force from one side, and your sister will also start applying the force from the other side. So what they are doing means both of you are applying the force in opposite direction. Fine. Now here in this situation, the net force applied will be the difference between the force applied by you and the force applied by your sister. So if both of you apply the same magnitude of force, then the answer will be 0. But if both of you are applying different, like you are applying much force and your sister is applying less force, then the resultant force or the net force will be the difference between the two forces. Now what are the effects of force? If we apply some force on an object, then what will be the effect? What result you will get? See, if you will apply a force on a rest body like this, a man is pushing a car. He is at a the car is at a stationary position. Fine. So at rest position. So the man is pushing the car. Means he is making the car, the object who is at rest, he is making that car to move. He is shifting that car. He pushes that car, and that makes the car to move. So the force make an object to move at rest. Now the second one, see here, a football player, a goalkeeper, he is what? He is stopping the movement of that football. Fine. He stops the movement of the football, so that so this, by applying a force, here also he is applying the force to stop the object. Now in this picture, what he is doing? In this third picture, what he is doing? He is applying a force. Fine. He is applying a force. So if he'll apply the force by his feet on the pedal, then If he'll apply it fastly, then the bicycle moves fastly. If he'll apply the force slowly, then the bicycle moves slowly. So in this way, the force can also change the speed of an object. Fine. Here in this picture, this a cricketer is hitting the ball just to change the direction of the ball. Okay, so a force, he is also applying a force on that ball, and the force applied can change the direction of the ball. Here your mother, you might have seen that your mother is making a chapati with the help of the rolling pin. So what she do exactly, she make the dough and make the balls from that dough, and she applies the force with the help of the rolling pin on that ball and makes the ball a round shape, in a round shape. Fine. So this is how she make a chapati. So these are the effects of force on an object, that it what it do, it moves the from the rest position, it stops the moving object, it can change the speed of an object, it can change the direction of motion of an object, it can also change the shape of the object. So this is all about today's period. Now in the next period we'll start the next topic.